So, ChronoSwiss. We've stopped in here at Watches and Wonders because very important brand, a lot of innovation, and Stephen likes it.
One of my favorites. So
At the mansion. Okay, so let's talk about what you've got here. What's new?
Let's start with our main novelty, which is the Digital in full gold. Digital Chronos. Chronos because it's the god, the Greek god that decides upon your time, when it's over and when it starts.
Let's
It's
see this, Steve.
fully hand engraved, and you see
That is a big watch. Very nice.
Chronos on top with the X. So these the decision maker on your life. And then on the bottom you see the digital plates that go around, shows the time digitally, mechanic movement, but digitally showing the time. Where you looks like
It's very interesting, but it's an acquired taste. Yeah, it's different. There's no question about it.
absolutely. We only do 33 pieces of it.
Yeah, I get it. What's the price point on this?
$7,000
Not bad. And yellow gold.
in yellow gold.
I always like the Curvex case. I like the way it curves to fit the
it's
wrist.
it's a statement piece.
Yeah. It's a jump hour with a sweeping minute and second.
But people are going to look at it and say, what is that, right?
Yeah, it's something you just don't see.
No, I get it. But I call statement pieces, when they start a conversation, people want to know more about the watch. Where did it come from? What's the history of it? Why does it exist? I think this is very interesting. It tells a story. And not bad price.
It is a 33 piece.
32 pieces. Someone bought number 8 already?
We have to check. We had a lot of requests on this one.
Yes, exactly.
Look at it, as you say, price different look rate. Then we have also in full gold 5N. It's our dual time. So you have it 24 hours on the one side, showing the world time and the local time. And it's an interesting piece.
So it's a domed crystal, and the star is applied by hand onto the enamel, and then it's covered with enamel. So it's a
Well, it's a lot of handicraft inside. So yeah, this is your
This is gold.
This is gold, yes.
Price point on this?
79,000 Swiss francs, so it's something about $80,000. 3 handicrafts combined here. The dial is guilloché, so hand guilloché on our machine here in the back. Then there's a blue enamel burnt on top of the guilloché, and the stars you see inside are so-called bayonets. They're done on a machine which is also around 100 years old. They're pressed on an old 100-year-old machine, and these little 3D ornaments are put on the second or third layer of the enamel, and then you have another 2 or 3 layers of enamel that you burn on top of these ornaments. So it's a very old technique, and we're very proud.
But again, you have some very interesting innovations in dials here. This is not every day. And it does work. It's 2 time zones for sure. And all controlled by one crowd. So the manual Y, right?
No, it's an automatic.
It's automatic. Oh, yes. Wow. Okay. New this year?
Absolutely new for Watches and Wonders.
And how many are you making?
Here we're making 50 pieces.
Who's making the calibers? You?
The calibers, all of the complications and the modules we do ourselves. And the base movement is done mostly with Azikere. Mostly. So it's our design, we do with them, they produce it for us, we do the complication on top.
Listen, that Rolex or Patek on your wrist, it's real money. Homeowners insurance won't cut it. One claim can spike your premiums on your whole home, or worse, get you dropped. That's why I created WonderCare. Go to WonderCare.com and protect what you've earned.
Maybe something else. This is called the Delphis. It's a jumping hour.
Yeah.
It has a half moon dial, which is also guilloché, and with an enamel finishing, 5 layers. And it's a jumping hour. At the same time, it's a retrograde minute. So if you make it turn here, so now it's 3:30, 3:50, and then it jumps to next hour, and the minute goes up again.
That is steel?
This comes in steel. We're also doing it in gold.
Also interesting.
The one you looked at, the Dracula, this one comes in gold.
I find this interesting. I mean, you get some idea of what you're in for with this case. This is
That is
all
cool.
This has already made it around the social media circles. I've seen this watch already. It's a great idea.
We sometimes wear the story of about 45 years. So we take watches or mechanics that we did in the past and we bring it to today. So this mechanics was the first one done ever with the jumping hour, a retrograde minute, and the round turning second. And I just love the mechanics, the complication. I said we have to do it in today's world. And we combine it also with handicrafts we all do in-house, the guilloche and the enameling of the dials.
Interesting. Interesting.
It's a combination.
It's cool, right?
That's cool.
Yeah.
I think that's going to appeal to some guys for sure. Okay.
Then we have the pulse. This is a model which is a retrograde second. Yeah. So you have the hour on the top. You have the minute from the center, and you have a retrograde second on the bottom. It always goes to 30 seconds and then
So twice a minute.
twice a minute.
People like to see movement on the wrist.
Yeah,
And
this is interesting.
a retrograde second is a nice, it's a simple complication, but it's fun.
It takes a lot of real estate, though. It's a good balance design for. That's fun. It is fun. That is.
Comes in titanium case.
Yeah, that is very nice.
Nice.
Production
To
limited.
this was the first edition, so we did 100 pieces on it. But we will continue with the different.
Yeah, I think the blue is nice as well. Price point?
About 12,000 euros.
Yeah.
It's good value.
Yeah, that is good value. That's very good value.
We've had it at the mansion at City Peacock for almost a year now, year and a half.
You sold a few?
We sold quite a few. So yeah,
You see, for 12,000, that's a really nice deal. Titanium, lots of complication,
movement.
great dial.
In fact,
That's a hit.
Yeah, we're the only store in the Midwest that carries the brand. So we've
That watch is probably your top seller.
and one of the few scholars, the Peacock book, who knows how to explain the watch.
No, the mansion is the right place to go shopping because there's so many ideas. But I think, for young people coming in looking for something different, at the unless you're 32 years old or something and you want to get in, this is a great watch.
And a strike in gold,
Yeah.
where we put the regulator dial into the horizontal. This is a guilloche, also a hand guilloche, done in-house in our atelier in Lucerne, with the PVD coatings in this grayish dark color.
Price point on this?
25,000
yeah, mid-20s. Again, it's a lot of watch for the money.
That's a lot of watch for that price. This great thing about Watches and Wonders, you find niches like this. These are all tremendous value. You can't get more watch for $12,000, $15,000, $20,000 than this. Very precious metals as well. Beautiful gold, titanium. This was a steel piece at a great price. Yeah. I'm glad you brought me here.
And I put on a red one for you.
Yeah, I saw that. I saw that, a little red band.
You saw the Dracula, so this was another one we did, because our tagline is called Modern Mechanical. Modern Mechanical means we use old techniques, but we also love new methods.
A lot of red going on in this.
It's a titanium case, and we used a new technique of imagine you take this one and you put it in a pot of honey. You take it out again, and this is a razor that goes around that connects directly with the
So it's a resin.
billion micro tubes with the titanium, and then we start reworking the case, polishing it.
So the resin is baked almost into the titanium.
Correct.
Yeah.
But only one existing, or the only watch that has been done this way.
Very.
All right.
All right.
Thank you very much, Oliver.
You buy watches because they appreciate. WonderCare gives you all risk worldwide coverage and up to 150% payout on total loss. No deductibles, no nonsense. And if you make a claim, it doesn't affect your home policy. Head to WonderCare.com and get quoted today.